This is Greg Michaelowski, and this is a Forex video quick for the Euro versus US dollar, brought to you by FXDD. Well, there's a lot of talk about the Greek situation, a lot of talk about the rollovers of their debt over the next month or so, and these are the numbers specifically. Over the next, till May 19th, on April 20th, what we have is 8.2 billion euros of 5-year notes maturing. The last these notes carried a coupon of 3.1%. That's how much the Greeks are paying on these notes. On May 19th of next month, 8.5 billion euros of 10-year notes will be auctioned off with a 6% coupon from the last note. Last note issued. How does those rates compare to what they're going to have to issue at current rates? If you take a look at the 5-year Greek bond, you can see here that the rate has soared over the last since December of last year. The rate is now at its peak, trading at 7.28%. That's quite a ways from the 3% of the last coupon that's maturing. Taking a look at the 10-year note, that's this curve right here. The current yield on the 10-year bond is at 7.53%. I'm sorry, 7.35%. That is up substantially from the 6% from the maturing coupon off the last 10-year that is going to be maturing. So both of those issues are going to the Greek government is going to have to pay a substantially higher premium for the debt rollover, and this is not going to help the debt situation that they're already under. They have to cut spending, they have to increase taxes, and now they have higher debt burden, which is going to be another negative to the debt situation. So as a result, this is why we see the euro dollar act the way it is. If we take a look at the hourly chart, the market has been trending down here over the last week or so here in the euro versus US dollar. We do have topside resistance at the 133.36 level. That's this trend line on the top side. That is off of this trend line on the bottom side. We do have support down here at 132.82, where 1, 2, 3 hourly bars came in and bounced off of that level. So that's definitely going to be key support on the downside. If we take a look at the 5-minute chart, the key level here that we're going to be watching is this 100-bar moving average on the 5-minute chart. Comes in at 133.10. The market just dipped down to around the 6 level and bounced off that level. We do have again that resistance in this area for the euro versus US dollar on the top side, which we'll be watching, and this low here that came in at the 82 level is going to be our key support on the downside. So currently with the market trading at 133, 10, 11, we are at this point where the market's either going to decide, all right, do we want to bounce and move through this top side resistance, or are we going to start or move back to the downside and test this 132.82 level and move below there. That's the decision that the market's got to make. Right now we're right at that midpoint where the market has to decide what it wants to do. This is Greg Michaelowski with the Forex video quick for the euro versus US dollar.